Did you notice a change from when you would practice and when you didn't practice?
Absolutely. And I think before you even think you're going to start in a quilt, the practice is critical. We want to think we're going to make a quilt and sit down and finish it, but that's not going to happen without practice. In order to get that motion in your mind and get the feel of it in your hands, you have to practice it. And that may include pulling up your little fabric swatches and drawing out your design before you even get started on your quilt. But my advice to somebody that maybe isn't sure if they want to do it or they aren't sure they can, start at the beginning. Set up your machine for success. You have that class that's available, and that is so important. Being able to set your machine up, knowing what you're expecting your machine to do about it. Yeah, I think if we're not ready to learn and we think we've hit our limit, that's pretty much it. You're going to keep making the same thing that you've been making. But to me, I'm not seeing a limit to what I'm able to do so far. And I'm
Mm,
still
mm.
learning how to put things together different, using different designs, blending some of the templates and some of the free motion quilting. That to me, every quilt that comes along, I'm like, well, what am I going to do this time? Am I going to do walking foot, ruler work? How are we going to implement all that? And just to me, it's exciting. I love it when I get an idea and I'm like, oh, that's super. I think when I first decided I was going to do this, about why, we invest in things that really aren't lasting or teaching us, well, why not start investing in what I really want to do? If I wanted to make quilts, I'm going to start investing in how to learn how to do them. And that takes time. So not only are you investing money in the class, you're investing money in your fabric. Take the time to learn how to do it. And I decided I was going to invest in what I wanted to do, and I wanted to be better at what I was doing.